Alright, now some of you are probably thinking, hey, I got a whole bunch, 2 bags full of these toilet paper tubes, rolls. What can I do with them, you know? I recycle them, I keep them so, they don't just go in the garbage. So I'm going to teach you a few things you can do with toilet paper rolls. Another one of Smee hacks. Let's check it out and see what we got. Alright, now I have my toilet paper tube here. Now what am I going to do with it? Well, for this, we're going to need a pencil, some scissors, and a razor blade. So we go ahead, we're going to make an extra loud speaker for my MP3 player. So you're like, hey, how am I going to do that? It's quite simple. First, we're going to go ahead and take my MP3 player, set it on here, we're going to go ahead and trace it. Okay, trace it. Oh, now I can see. Now when you do this, be very careful, and then you don't want to cut your finger on the back side there. It'll cut, it'll hurt. Don't do that. We're going to go ahead and cut that out, and I'll show you what to do next. Alright, now we're back, and now you can see that I have my hole cut out. Get my MP3 player, put it in there. Alright. But hey, it won't stand up. Maybe I want it to stand up. So another thing we can do, go ahead, take another toilet paper tube, and we're going to hold it up against the edge like so. Let's get this out of there. You go, okay, just kind of measure it. Take our pencil again and trace it like so. Then we take our scissors, we're going to go ahead and cut this out. As you can see, I've cut it out. It doesn't have to be perfect. No, it's just real quick recycling. And we go ahead, oh hey, look at that. Now it will stand up. How are we going to do this? Get our tape, and we're going to tape it on there. I got my toilet tube taped on there. Nice, ready to go. Take my MP3 player. Voila. Extra speakers coming out the side. Woo! Much louder. Works great. Try it out. Alright, we got another awesome hack with Smee's hack. So, with these toilet paper tubes, we go ahead, we just stick them up here in the cupboard. Nobody's gonna know until they open up the cupboard. So we just start stacking them. Wow! See what I mean? It's gonna be hilarious. Let's take you in for a closer look. As you can see, I made a nice little barrier here so that I can stack my toilet paper rolls. And then when it's opened, when the cupboard gets opened, they're all gonna fall. So let's go ahead, keep stacking them in there, and it's gonna be hilarious. Alright, now I got all the toilet paper rolls in here in the cupboard, waiting for somebody to come in and open up the cupboard. Let's take a look, see what happens. Ah! Last hack with toilet paper rolls. Put them on your ears. And look, you can hear so much better. Put a piece of tape on one, put it on your nose. You can smell so much better. Put them on your eyes. Oh, look at that. I can see so much clearer. Toilet paper roll hacks. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and go ahead and share.
Nailed it. You're going down, Smee. You go.